today's world, making money online is not a dream anymore. It's a skill. And in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step roadmap to start earning online, even as a complete beginner. Step 1. Choose a skill. You don't need money to start. You need a skill. Pick one skill: video editing, writing, graphic design, social media. Don't try everything, just pick one, because skills are the foundation of online income. Step 2. Choose a platform. Now you need a place to earn. Go where opportunities exist: freelancing platforms, YouTube, social media. Platform gives you exposure. No platform equals no clients. Step 3. Get your first earning. Don't wait for perfection. Start small. Even $5, even $10 is powerful, because your first earning changes your mindset forever. Step 4. Improve and scale. Once you start earning, improve your skill, increase your price, learn more, earn more. Growth is slow at first, but it speeds up with time. Step 5. Build multiple income. Don't depend on one income. Add more: affiliate marketing, content creation, digital products. Multiple income equals stability. Reality. Let's be honest. You won't become rich in one day. It takes time. It takes effort. But if you stay consistent, you will succeed. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, because one decision today can change your entire future. Subscribe for more money, business, and online earning strategies, because your journey starts today.